Not long ago, I had my small bathroom converted to a shower room. I couldn't say more about it, but basically, well, all the new bits and pieces. It was £1,500 materials. That's shower cubicle, pedestal, loo, and £1,500 labour. So it cost £3,000. It's not a big room, including a new ceiling light there. And what I was looking for was a mirror with light, so illuminated bathroom mirror light. And I wasn't really happy with all the ones that I found. But what there is there's this mirror here, which is a relatively low cost mirror that was available in the range. I don't know if they've still got it in at the moment. And what I've done is fairly straightforward, fairly simple, is I bought an IKEA light. Don't know if it's an undercupboard light or what. It is one with rechargeable battery in it. I have a shaver point. There's a fused spur there which supplies the shaver point. And at one time I was thinking for the mirror light I would chase out from the fused spur down to where the mirror light was. But if you look, mirror lights are really quite expensive. This is about £12 from IKEA. You touch it and on it comes. It's got 3 levels of brightness, which is quite nice. And that's converted this mirror into a light. What needed to be doing? Well, I wanted the light pointing downwards, not straight out, because I didn't want it to just glare in my face. And I've done a very crude and simple, because it's a rustic looking mirror. So the piece of wood there, planed, was it planed? It was just planed to approximate size, fixed onto the top edge of that mirror with a couple of screws, a bit of glue, and then this stuck up underneath it. So that's all I've done, produced a shelf. I could have planted a shelf on top of there either and stuck that under, but just decided to add it on that way round. That was just how I decided to do it. And that's a USB charger. It comes with a lead with USB, which doesn't have to be permanently plugged in. You can completely take the lead away, charge it up remotely from the bathroom, and then replace it in the bathroom afterwards. At the moment, I've just took the lead behind it, but I could take the lead out. And the way I've got my socket, shaver socket, means that I can charge it in situ on the mirror. There we go, just a little simple thing where the total cost of my lighted mirror is a lot less than it would have been had I bought a commercially available one. And I find that suits me fine in terms of what I want in my bathroom. Worth doing a little bit of DIY sometimes.